Here, you can make money online in a fun and new way. Let me explain. Now, this is a fish picture, and this is a potato picture, and you can find all of these free pictures and images on the internet by the millions and billions. And with just a couple of clicks on these pictures, we can get anywhere from $5 to $200. Let's say you make $15 per picture on average, and do some quick math. From just 10 pictures, you can see that you can make $150, and you can do this with just a few clicks of your mouse or by using your cell phone. No design skills are required. We're not going to draw a plan for anything, so you don't need any complicated skills. We don't have to be smart for this to work. Now look at the proof of income here. As you can see on the screen, PayPal Money is worth $24, PayPal is worth $5, and WebMoney is worth $16. There are literally hundreds of thousands of people from various countries all around the world. They catch our actual money online every day by employing the precise approach that I'm about to reveal in this video. Again, the matter doesn't require selling, designing, videos, or a website of any kind. It also doesn't require much hard work, and it's free. So these are great for people who are just starting out. But please watch this video all the way to the end, because I'll show you a few of my secret bonus tips and even give you some free software. They will do 100% of the work for you, so you can earn money even while you sleep. That's great, right? So make sure you stay and don't miss out on that. But before you do that, make sure you subscribe to our channels and turn on the notification bell for daily new money-making videos. Now let's begin. Follow me as I explain everything step by step. First and foremost, I'll go to YouTube. When I search for health diet on YouTube, I can find different pictures on YouTube. As you can see here, there's actually one YouTube image, and this is another YouTube image. For every video on YouTube, you actually have an image that people can actually click on the video. This is also sometimes called a thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, or YouTube image. You probably know that you can make a lot of money with a YouTube thumbnail or image. So just like all of these guys right here, as you can see, $24, $16, $5, and $10 again and again. And there are a lot of people who are just starting out and have never made money before. They've been able to use this strategy to make their first $5, $10, $20, or even $100 every day. Don't worry, I'll show you everything in this video. You might be wondering how we can use these YouTube photos like everyone else, and how we can profit from this, and how we don't require any technical knowledge. You don't need any prior experience, and I'll teach you everything for free. First and foremost, I want you to go to this website, PicMaker.com. If you use that as your template, you can quickly make very beautiful YouTube images, and I want you to look at this. They are all very good at what they do and so pretty and beautiful, even better than what you see on YouTube right now. You can make $5, $10, $20, or even $30 for each of these YouTube images. Just think about how much money you could make if you use their template. You wouldn't need any design skills because everything is already done for you. Again, I want to stress that this is free of charge. To get started, you don't have to spend or invest any money, and I don't want to waste any of your time. I'll show you what to do. I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this website and look right here for this link. You can see Thumbnail Maker on YouTube. Okay, this is the YouTube Thumbnail Maker. If you click on it, you'll go to this page where you can start making a free YouTube thumbnail, which is the same thing as a free YouTube image. Okay, a YouTube thumbnail is an image from YouTube. You can make yours for free by clicking here, which will take you to a page where you can sign up for a free account. Just type in your name, email address, and password and click sign up. When you log into your account, you should be able to see your name right here at the top. You can see that's my account, and you can find different designs and templates right here at the top. For example, YouTube thumbnails, YouTube banners, and IGTV dumb news. I want you to click on this category. Here in this YouTube thumbnail, you can see it. I want you to click on this button, which will take you to this page where you can watch a free tutorial video on how to start using PicMaker. So basically, this video you're watching right now will show you everything. So you don't have to watch that video tutorial, which could also save you a lot of time. So make sure you keep watching. So this is basically your dashboard. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is give this project a name. You can see it right here at the top. So I'll use weight loss as an example right here in this video. Okay, and I'll show you how to make more images like this one for YouTube in the weight loss, health, and diet category. And by the time you're done watching this video, you'll be able to start making a lot of money, just like these guys from all over the world. Make sure you don't miss any important steps by not paying attention. Now when you get to this page, I want you to click on this category, which is called pre-built. From there, you can choose from a lot of templates that have already been made. For example, if I scroll down below, you can see all the templates you can use, and with one click of a button, you can quickly make the whole YouTube image by using a template. You can choose from hundreds and hundreds of different templates that are both professional and beautiful. So I'll just pick one of these for now. Now let's say I like this one. All I have to do is click on it and it will show up right here on my dashboard. This is mostly about how to lose weight and how to get rid of belly fat. Look at these very professional YouTube images. I think this one is much better than this one. And I don't need to know anything about graphic design, and neither do you. As you can see, everything is very easy. All you have to do is click a button and it will show up right there. So you can now start editing and changing anything you want, which is not required and is considered optional. So for example, I can change the text right here if I click on the tags. So for example, you could write subscribe right here on this thumbnail. I can in fact change the type of font you see here. I can change the font type or size to whatever I want. Here you can see, just click on this and you can change anything you want or even the color of the text, right? I can just move it to any word on the picture and drop it there. As you can see, everything is very simple and easy to understand. This is something you can also do on your cell phone. Now this is a big deal. If you want to add more things to your YouTube image, all you have to do is click on the image's properties. From there, you can add stickers, icons, and other things right to the image itself. Let's take stickers as an example. If I click on them, they will start to load. And if I scroll down, I can choose anything I want. When I click on this, for example, it will show up in my thumbnail. You can see her again, just make it larger, just drag it. And you know I can put it anywhere that I want, make it smaller or make it bigger. Everything I can change is very easy and straightforward. And I can even change the background color from there. I can pick any color I want, as you can see here. Once you're happy with everything, you can click on that download button. As you can see, you can download this on your phone or computer. And you can use PicMaker and all of the Dunfield templates to make different free YouTube images with just a click of a button. And remember that you can make $5, $10, or even $30 from each of these YouTube images. So in the second part of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we can make money from these YouTube images. So make sure you keep watching. Now I want to show you the next website, which is called peopleperpower.com. People post different services for different projects on this website. For doing this one, you know, $1,300 right here, $1,000 over and over again, and there are just so many different services right here on peopleperpower.com. So the first thing I want you to do right now is to type the keyword thumbnail. Okay, here's a thumbnail, and I want you to click on the search button. That will take you to this page where you can find different services that people have posted on peopleperpower.com. As you can see, different people on peopleperpower.com are making real money. People from Lebanon, Pakistan, Bangladesh, India, the UK, Sri Lanka, the US, and the Philippines, and there are literally so many of them. They make real money by selling different YouTube images that we talk about in the first half of the video. You can pay $15 per picture to see her. They cost between $25 and $10 and don't require any design skills. You can easily make different YouTube images or thumbnails for free with PicMaker. They look very professional, even better than what you see on YouTube itself. They're getting a lot of views, and you can make a lot of money by simply posting all of these photographs, uploading them, and offering them as a service on peopleperpower.com. Let's assume I click on this service right here, which will take me to this page where you can see the title "Create Great YouTube Thumbnails to Gain More Views and Subscribers." This is just one of many YouTube thumbnail samples, and I personally believe that the design right here on Peacemaker is far higher quality, even better, and more professional than what you see where individuals are offering right here on peopleperpower.com. And you can definitely make a lot of money because people don't even know PicMaker exists, right? Because technology is so advanced now that you can use so many free resources and software and exploit these kinds of opportunities for free and make money for yourself. And once again, if you learned something, and if you're watching right now, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, because basically I want to show you something even more interesting. As you can see, each YouTube image costs $10. For example, you may get 2 photographs for $20, 3 images for $30, and so on. On peopleperpower.com, you can truly make $100 in 1 hour. Now, for those of you who are still watching, I'd like to disclose another extra website where you can make even more money with all of these YouTube photos. I'd like you to go to SEOclerk.com. They're actually fairly similar to peopleperpower.com, but there's a lot less competition, and not many people know about them, where you can find different services where people charge $10, $15, $20, or even $100. As you can see, I made your 5 YouTube thumbnails for $20. I make an awesome custom thumbnail for $15. You can see people making real money right here on the internet on all of these websites, demonstrating how we can use various YouTube images to make a lot of money. People from all around the world, just like these men, are making money $6, $23, and more for free by following this exact approach. So if you want my proposal for a simpler way for novices to generate money, if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell for more videos. I'll see you in the following video. Goodbye.